What is up, baddies and boys? It's the sweetie Shon Jolie. Before we get into it, make sure, as usual, that you're following me on all my social media platforms, which is Instagram, Twitter, and now that I'm back, Snapchat. All of them are the same, at Shon Jolie. If you can't find me on Snapchat, you will have to type in Joe Doll with the crown. I'll put that probably over here on the screen. What's new with me? Well, it's not really new because I cut off all. I did another big chop at the beginning of January, probably like the 2nd. Because your girl got heat damage, like really bad heat damage. I had been growing my hair out naturally for almost 3 years and I got heat damage, and to say the least, I was devastated. I can't hold on to hair and stuff like that. Anytime my hair has gotten damaged or something has happened to it where it just was looking less than good, I just cut it all off. My hair was probably about here naturally. Yeah, my natural hair had grown to about here. Well, you can kind of see it. Well, straightened out, it was there. In the video where I was doing the ponytail, that was obviously before I cut it off. So if you need a reference, that's what my hair was. And I've been in the process of growing it back. I'm gonna probably insert a clip or two or a picture or something to kind of show you what my hair looked like when I had cut it all off, because it's actually grown out quite a bit. It's now February the 15th, cut it off January the 2nd, and it's grown a lot, and I think it's due to the routine that I have been doing. So today's video is going to be on my 4C hair wash routine. Should be pretty quick, simple, and easy, so let me get right into that. Alright, so these steps are going to be quick, easy, and to the point, because wash day does not have to be hard. Taking care of your hair does not have to be hard, and you don't have to be a product junkie. So step 1, I advise dedicating 5 minutes to massaging the scalp. I'm sure that you've heard that it helps with the blood flow, it helps with your hair growth, and also helps relax you to prepare you for the wash day. The next thing that I do is I go ahead with my warm water rinse. Warm water opens the pores so that it's able to basically pull in everything that you're going to need and be putting into your hair, which is obviously H2O and whatever conditioner that you may want to use. I use the Camille Rose leave-in conditioner. It works wonders on my hair. Like, that saved my hair like a lot of times. I think I'm going to stick with that, but there is one other product that I do want to try, and I think it's called Creole by Organics, or Creole Organics by the woman Very Curly on Instagram. I absolutely love her, and I really want to try that stuff. So I may be doing a review on that. I'm going to go and look into all that, but I'll drop her link below if you want to check that out. They say it's really good for like 4C hair, honestly, all types of textures, because I don't think that she's 4C and her hair is beautiful. But anyways, after I apply my Camille Rose leave-in rice milk, I go ahead and do my cold water rinse. Cold water seals the pores, basically holds in the leave-in that you put in your hair, or whatever product that you choose to put in your hair in between the warm water rinse or whatever. After I do that, I let my hair air dry. If you do dry your hair with a towel, please make sure that you're using a microfiber towel. Beach towels, things like that that you use after baths, those are very drying and very bad on the hair, and it does not promote healthy hair growth. So X those towels, microfiber towels only. From then on, I apply a mixture of coconut oil, tea tree oil, and this stuff. It's black castor growth oil. Sam's Beauty actually sent me this stuff, and I've been using it, and I cannot lie, it has actually helped these little pieces in my hair grow right here. I'm very happy about that. I use that, and I know some people may be like, that's a lot of oil, but I do not use a lot. I literally mix that, and it's probably, it sits about maybe this high in the thing, and I just pour it, rub it on my hands, and rub it all over my head, back and forth, just like this, and that is all. That is all I do. It's not heavy on my hair at all. It has a nice smell as well. And when I tell y'all, that keeps my hair moisturized for a long time. And most of the time, as of now, I've been in a lot of wigs, and even after I have had on a wig cap, smushing my hair down, that stuff is just like, it's on my hair, and it feels very moisturized. Like, so if you want your hair to grow, if you want it to flourish, and you want it to stay moisturized, if you have a problem with keeping moisture in the hair, I definitely recommend using this routine, because it has worked wonders for my hair, and it has grown my hair like it seems like to me very quickly, because I'm constantly looking like, oh my gosh, okay, is my hair going, is my hair going? But it's just like, now I've just been letting it do its own thing and using that whenever, you know, it's time for a co-wash day and stuff, and my hair is beautiful. Like, it's in a very healthy and happy state. It's not broken, it's not dyed, it's not anything. Also, one last tip, I advise not doing this close to bedtime, because head scarves and things like that tend to soak up product, and you kind of need your scalp to do that. You don't want your head scarves to pull that out of your hair, because then it's kind of like you did everything for nothing. I advise probably doing it like earlier up in the day, so it's had time to sit, so that by nighttime when you do tie your hair down, you're good to go. I use a do-rag, and I don't tie it too tight or anything like that. I wake up in the morning and I'm good. Another thing that also helps with hair growth, make sure in the morning time that you kind of get a spray bottle and you just kind of wet your hair and just kind of tousle it. Is that word? Tousle it? Whatever, you know what I mean. But you know, like, kind of just let it fall through your hair. That helps with keeping your hair moisturized as well. If you wake up in the morning and it feels kind of dry, just apply a little bit of water and you should be good to go. So with that being said, that concludes today's video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope that it helps anybody who has 4C hair with low porosity, because it definitely helped me. Thumbs up this video, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next one.